Yes, hello mga ka-Onyx, maray na aga po or good morning po sa inyong lahat. Nandito ako ngayon sa probinsya ng Sorsogon, particularly sa capital compound na kung saan nandito po ang venue ng ginagawang or ginaganap na Teachers Day ng Sorsogon City Divisions under ng School Division Superintendent na si Sir William Gando. So pupuntahan po natin yung kanilang venue doon sa Sorsogon Gymnasium na nandoon ngayon ang celebrations ng Teachers Day ng Sorsogon City Divisions to promote ang ating Gubat St. Anthony Cooperative.
Happy Teachers Day, we celebrate you for all the dreams you've made come true. With every lesson, you've shown us the way. The world is brighter because of you today. Happy Teachers Day, through every word, through every Teachers Day, through every word, through every Teachers Day, through every Teachers Day. Teachers are our heroes, guiding us each day, helping us to find our path and showing us the way. With kindness and with wisdom, they help our dreams come true. Oh, teachers, we are thankful for everything you do. Teachers are our heroes, guiding us each day,